Hi guys, for today's video I am just installing some Marley Twists with this Janet collection Afro twist braid, and this is what the hair looks like. Very natural in feel and soft in texture. And I already installed 2 of her twists, and I'm just going to show you real quick exactly how I did that. So I am actually using the Let's Jam, as a means of conditioning her hair, just to make it a little bit more sleek and to make her twists neat. So I'm just applying that towards her root, and I'm going to take 2 pieces of the braiding hair and measure to make sure that they are similar in length. Attach it as tightly as possible towards her root, and I'm actually starting off with a braid, and this is just so as to ensure that the twist remain firmly installed and intact in her hair and they don't slip. So after braiding for about 1 inch, then I go ahead and I start my twisting process, twisting from left to right. And for that portion of the twist that involves her own hair, I do that portion a little bit tighter, somewhat like a rope twist, just to ensure that her hair does not peek through the twists. But once I've passed the length of her hair, then I can start to do a more softer, looser twist to give it that Afro, kinky, or that Marley look. And you just ensure that you twist all the way to the very end, and you, if necessary, you can just tap a little bit of that Let's Jam conditioning jam and use that to just soften the hair as you go along. Yeah, and that's it pretty much. So I'm just going to repeat that process one more time just to reinforce it, and I'm going ahead and conditioning the hair towards her roots, measuring 2 pieces of hair, and go ahead and proceed to install, starting with a braid. And just to reiterate, you want to start with a braid just to ensure that your twist remains firmly intact and they do not fall out prematurely. Yeah. Separate and begin to twist. And again, the portion of the twist that involves her hair, it's more of a rope twist, and that will ensure that her hair doesn't get frizzy, and peek through the braids. Yes, yes, yes. So we're almost there, almost at the finishing line, and this is what the twists are looking like so far. They look very neat and pretty, if I must say for myself. Yeah, and the remaining 1/3 portion of her hair, I just need to determine if she will be wearing her hair mostly over to the left or to the right. And once that is determined, then I will go ahead and make a part. And in her case, she wants to wear her hair mostly to the right, and so that is the direction in which I will twist the remaining hair in. Yes. So just a quick tip, guys, if you want your hair to look very full and not spacey at the roots, you have to ensure that once you part of a section of hair to braid, then just ensure that that section of hair falls directly in between the two twists that are immediately below it, and that will enable your hair to look very full. Yes, yes, yes. So we are all done, and I'm just going to ensure that her hair remains healthy with this One True Natural Shine of Mine Nourishing Oil Blend. And protective styles don't indicate that you are to neglect taking care of your natural hair. So that is of paramount importance for you to keep your natural scalp and your roots healthy while wearing braids or any form of protective style for that matter. So I'm just applying the oil all over her scalp and just rubbing it in. Yes. And just to ensure that the braids are nice and shiny and sleek, I'm just using Cream of Nature Argan Oil Styling Mousse. And just rub that in carefully and thoroughly. Squeeze that baby in, squeeze that baby in. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. The Marley braids installed using Janet Collection Afro Twist braids. These braids are super duper lightweight, and they are a perfectly convenient way for you to enjoy, you know, the much needed rest that your hair needs, or to just enjoy a perfect vacation. Yeah. Thanks for watching Natural Hair Dynamics. Remember to like, rate, comment, and subscribe and share. And until next time, deuces.